Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we're having a look at the Perrin Shifter Detents for your 2004 to 21 STI, as well as your 2015 to present Subaru WRX. Let's go. Before we get too far, I would like to state that Perrin makes two separate kits for two different 6-speeds. One being for the 04 and up STI, and the other being for the 2015 to present WRX. Although these kits may look very similar, they do have some inherent design differences that keep one from working with the other, or vice versa. So before purchasing, always verify which one of the 6 speeds you have. Now that we got that out of the way, what is it, and what does it do? The Perrin Shifter Detent Kit is a performance upgrade designed to enhance the shifting experience for your Subaru WRX or STI with various 6-speed transmissions. This kit provides a firmer, more precise shift feel by adding pressure to the internal components responsible for shifting, particularly the spring and ball mechanism that reacts with your transmission's shift rods. When installed, it creates a more positive engagement into each gear, adding feedback both when engaging gears and even shifting back into neutral. This additional resistance provides a more defined shift, minimizing the play that can sometimes result in vague or sloppy gear changes. Installation of the detent kit is relatively straightforward, though it does require getting underneath the car as these components are attached to the side of the transmission. This job doesn't require specialty tools, and the process generally takes around an hour for the mechanically inclined individual. The shifter detent kit can be paired with other shift components such as shifter stops or shifter bushings for an even greater improvement in the feel. Together, these parts create a much more solid and connected shift, enhancing driving engagement, and who in the right mind doesn't want that? Thanks again for taking a look at the Perrin Shifter Detents for your 04 to 21 STI or your 15 to 2024 WRX. For thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.